Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So today is federal funds rate news for the US dollar. Definitely a really big news event for the dollar. I would definitely expect some volatility today because of that. And I am going to be live streaming for that news event later on today. So definitely check me out during that live stream. Hope to see everybody there. So on the dollar Canadian monthly, I think this is a downtrend. I think this is three waves up for like an ABC. I think that this is most likely just going to keep on trending down. I think it's going to take out these lows and probably at least end up looking something like that. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is the end of a correction. I think this first move down is a 1. I think this is an ABC like a 2. And I think this is in a wave 3. And I don't think the wave 3 is over. I think it has a long ways to go to the downside to finish off this wave 3. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's head down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I still think that this move down is probably like a 1 of 3, because I think this is a 1 and a 2 right here, so this would be a 1 of 3. This is probably a 2 of 3. I think that anything we see to the upside is going to be nothing more than a correction to the downtrend and all part of a big wave 3, like a subdivision of a much larger wave 3 on the longer time frames. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it looks like it may have already ended an A, B, and C correction. It is going up pretty good right now, but I still think there's a very good likelihood this move up is going to make a lower high, maybe turn at the 78 or the 88%, possibly go up and make a new high before the news, but either way, I think that the news is going to cause this to go down and most likely end up continuing the downtrend. I think this move up is nothing more than a correction to this move down like I was explaining on the longer time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I'm looking at this move up as possibly being a correction to this move down, like a correction like a wave A here, and this is probably like a wave B. It looks like we're in a wave C right now, and it possibly could go up and make a new high, especially if the dollar does make a spike reversal like I'm expecting it could. But I wouldn't be surprised if it did respect one of these Fibonacci levels and then the news comes out and it just ends up continuing the downtrend. So, hope to see everybody at my live stream later on for the news. And as always, definitely make sure you join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.